You might have noticed that your CPAP equipment doesn't work as well or feel as fresh after wearing it for several nights. That's because your equipment gets dirty the more you use it. That's why it's important to clean your equipment and keep it fresh each and every week. In this video, we'll cover the best ways to clean your equipment and show you some handy tips. So first, let's start with the basics. Well, you should use mild soap or detergent to clean your equipment. Harsh chemicals, they can break your equipment down, so it's important that you use the right cleaner. Generally, all it takes is hand soap with some warm water. Another great option for a quick clean, particularly for your mask cushion, is CPAP wipes. These are specialty wipes designed with the right detergent that make cleaning your equipment easy. They're available online or in many stores where you'd find your CPAP equipment. So what should you do after you clean your equipment? You should let your equipment air dry, both after cleaning and after use. It's important to let your equipment dry after cleaning so that there's no water left over. Not only can excess water create discomfort while you're using your CPAP, but if you leave it over time, it can harbor bacteria or even mold growth in your equipment. Next, let's talk about a cleaning schedule. And it's important to stick to a cleaning schedule and build a routine for cleaning your CPAP equipment, just like you would build a routine for cleaning your house. And what we recommend is on a daily basis, cleaning your mask cushion with that warm soapy water, as well as emptying your humidifier chamber and letting them both air dry. On a weekly basis, you should take your CPAP tube into the shower with you and clean it with soapy water and also let that air dry afterwards. You can also clean your humidifier tub with that same soapy water to keep it clean. And then on a monthly basis, you should clean your mask headgear. And you can do this by washing it with your laundry. But be careful not to add it to the dryer, as the dryer and the high heat can cause that mask headgear to deteriorate at a faster rate. Just let it air dry afterwards. And then you can hand clean the mask frame with that same warm soapy water. And again, just make sure all of that's dry before you wear it again at night. So last, let's talk about automated cleaners or disinfection devices. And you may have seen these advertised on TV or online. These are machines that automatically clean your CPAP equipment for you. But it's important to note that not all CPAP cleaners operate the same way, and some have downsides when using with your equipment. So let's cover what these are. First are cleaners that use ozone. These are devices such as SoClean or SleepAid, and they generate ozone gas. And what that does is pass through your CPAP equipment, sterilizing it in the process. However, that same ozone gas has been found to damage your CPAP equipment over time, which is why they'll void your manufacturer's warranty on many CPAP manufacturers, and they've been warned against by the FDA. We recommend you avoid these type of CPAP cleaners. The next type of CPAP cleaner is ultraviolet light. And these are the second type, such as Lumen or the Baptizer. There's many common products out on the market, and they use ultraviolet light to disinfect your equipment. When bacteria and other harmful organisms are exposed to this special light, they break down and keep your equipment fresh and clean. There are no warnings against using these disinfecting machines for your CPAP equipment, but do know that ultraviolet light can sometimes speed up the degradation of the plastic or the silicone in your CPAP equipment, so just keep an eye for how frequently you need to replace your equipment when using one of these cleaners.